What's up, y'all? It's time to put my couch together. Okay, so I just figured out that I can't add music to my video. I had music on here and it was such a long way to go. Such a long way to, by P. Diddy, ex-girlfriend. Dang, why is her? It's on the tip of my tongue. I just was listening to that song. But yeah. I was trying to think of the song. It still didn't come to my mind. But yeah, I love my couch. And if you want the link, I can drop it in the comments. Just let me know, guys. It's so fluffy and comfortable. I'm sitting on it right now. I love it. I paid for this with my own money, but now I have an affiliates link. So if you want it, just let me know in the comments.